Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have these inequalities in here. So the first thing we need to put the limit for the both sides. Now we need to consider on this one. So we need to divide by e to the power of s on numerator and the denominator. They should be like this. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Number 21 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. And now we have like this. Now we need to consider on this one. So we need to divide by the square root of s on numerator and denominator. Next, this one go inside the square root of s minus 1 because we have same the square root. Next, s divided by s, we have number 1. 1 divided by s, we keep the same. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got number 0. So we have the final answer. And that is about number 5. So this one equals to number 5. This one equals to number 5. So the value of this one equals to number 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.